So it's Laura here, and I wanted to walk you down my spring border just to show you some of the woodland edge plants this morning. So starting here, this is a lovely red dead nettle, similar to our white dead nettle, but much better behaved. It stays in a nice clump like this. That's Philemium orvala. And I grow several epimediums in this bed. This I think was Amber Queen. Flowers are over now, but the leaves are just so beautiful. That's really why I grow them. Lovely spring leaves, and then these colour up a lovely sort of orange hue for the winter and stay all winter and look lovely. Now moving down, this is a Euphorbia, Euphorbia dulces chameleon. Very unusual, it's very happy, unusual for a Euphorbia, it's very happy in this light shade. And if it starts to look a bit mildewy later, you just trim it back and it'll come back fresh again. Now my main group of Trilliums, the Trillium chloropetallum, is just over, just have the leaves now. But there's a later one here, Trillium luteum, which is just hitting its stride now. Moving on down, I've got the spring pea, Lathyrus vernus, which has been flowering nicely, now just forming it again, its nice seed pods. And I use a lot of ferns in this bed. This is just our native harts-tongue fern, but they really light up the bed. Moving a little bit further on, I wanted to show you this bulb. This is a bulb called Belvalia. This is Belvalia romana. Very similar to a grape hyacinth, but again much better behaved. It doesn't spread itself all around, stays in that nice clump. A little bit taller and I think a bit more refined than a grape hyacinth. And behind it, again the flowers are over, but the leaves are lovely. This is Hepatica nobilis. And then I just wanted to show you these curious plants. These are dodecatheon media, the shooting star, which you'd think would be in a rockery or a sunny spot. They seem quite happy here. Now, if you wanted to learn more about these plants and look at a longer list of some of the other things here, head to our website and search for Laura's Woodland Edge Plants. Bye!